Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW 520d M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get the LED headlights with the black kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit, so you do get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a black rear diffuser. Now you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now we do also have the M Sport badging on either front wing. Now we do have the black trim around this vehicle, so you get the black roof bars, the black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. Now we do get front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, dual exit exhaust, flush with the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now we do have a power assisted rear tailgate as well. We do have the split fold tailgate, so a button just under there opens the rear window. That's a very nice addition to have, so if you do have lots of shopping, just simply open that and then you can just put them in very easily. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now the paint code is called, and it is a very nice paint code, it is called Sophisto Grey, and it is an acrylic paint code, and it is really a very superb looking colour, especially in the sun. Now if you go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have full leather throughout with the white accents, ISOFIX points. We also have a pull down armrest with 2 nice cup holders just in there. We have the storage behind the passenger and the driving seat, and we also have your vents just in the centre there as well. We have your integrated Harman speakers and also your electric windows with your BMW individual trim and ambient lighting just underneath. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now it has the extended 5-spot and it also is electrically adjusted, and the 2 front seats are also heated. Now on the doors you do have your electric windows, again your integrated Harman speakers, ambient lighting and also your BMW individual trim. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you also have your keyless start. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. We also have paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and is covered when the fuel reserve light has just gone out. Now we do have the digital dash as well, so you can change what the look of the dash is like. So if you put it in Eco Pro, Comfort or Sport, it then changes the look of the dash, as you can see just there. Now if I go through these settings, I'll be able to tell you how many miles this vehicle has done, and as you can see it has done just over 22,420 miles, and again it's free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now in the centre we do have the satellite navigation screen, which is also touchscreen, where we can find again your satellite navigation, media connectivity via, well, we do have Bluetooth, also DAB, FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, again Bluetooth audio and also USB. Now we do have Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Now we do have navigation and maps there again. Pop it into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors on the left hand side. You can see ambient lighting just underneath there as well. Now coming back off that, you have the different drive modes where you do have Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport and Individual. Now you can configure your Individual to suit your driver preferences, so you can go through all those different settings again to suit your driver preferences. I'll pop that back onto maps. Now coming down here, you do have your dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to. We have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. BMW individual trim down here as well. With pop that open you can find your key, and reflecting off my hands and the key you can see the ambient lighting, which you can change the colour of. Now we do have this, which is what you use to control everything happens on your screen if you're not using the touch screen function. Your drive mode, select the parking sensors on and off just there as well. Now if I go into my vehicle and go down to vehicle settings, lights, interior lighting, you can also change the colour of the ambient lighting. As you can see just there, we can have all those different colour and colour combinations. It's entirely up to your preferences which one you choose. I like to keep it on a lilac. Soft touch leather armrest for storage underneath from touch of a button just underneath there. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat again with the white accents and the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.